How to use masks in Premiere Pro. First, grab the text tool or just press T on the keyboard. Click anywhere on the video and type out the text. Then I'm just going to want to make sure that text layer goes from the beginning and the end of the clip that I want to put it over. Then you're going to want to go to the Properties panel, scroll to Align and Transform, and center that text. Next, head to the Effects Control panel, and under Opacity, tap the little rectangle. A mask box will appear over the text. Then you're going to want to resize it so it fully displays the text before we create that dissolve. Now the fun part. Click the stopwatch next to the mask path to create your first keyframe. Then, we're going to scrub forward a few frames at a time and drag the mask box so it follows the object. And as it wipes across the screen, the text will hide behind it. Now I sped this part up just a little bit so we can get through this video quicker. Once your text is fully hidden, head to the mask feather and crank it up to about 20%. This will soften the edges and give it a smoother, more fluid dissolve. Then we're going to play it back. You've turned your plain text into a layered cinematic effect that follows your motion through the shot. It adds depth, gives a little bit more polish, and just simply levels up the video entirely. Alright, if you want more creative hacks like this, drop a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you around.